Welcome to FactWise Education again. Today we are exploring the ingenious engineering behind the Mars helicopter. We bring you a groundbreaking story from the Red Planet. For the first time in history, a small helicopter has landed on Mars, ready to take flight in its thin atmosphere. Stay tuned as we delve into this historic mission and explore the wonders of Martian space exploration. Is exciting. We send robots to other planets. These robots are our eyes and ears. They help us learn. One of the most exciting missions is on Mars. In 2021, a small helicopter landed on Mars. It was called Ingenuity. This was a historic event. It was the first time a craft flew on another planet. Ingenuity's mission is to test flight in Mars' thin atmosphere. Space exploration is exciting. We send robots to other planets. These robots are our eyes and ears. They help us learn. One of the most exciting missions is on Mars. In 2021, a small helicopter landed on Mars. It was called Ingenuity. This was a historic event. It was the first time a craft flew on another planet. Ingenuity's mission is to test flight in Mars's thin atmosphere. Ingenuity is small and light. It weighs about 4 pounds. It has 2 rotors that spin in opposite directions. These rotors are much larger than a helicopter on Earth. The rotors need to spin fast to generate lift in the thin Martian air. Ingenuity is powered by solar panels. These panels charge a battery. The battery powers the rotors and instruments. Ingenuity also has cameras and sensors. These help it navigate and take pictures. Building Ingenuity was a huge challenge. The team had to innovate and think outside the box to make it possible. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, which is one of the biggest hurdles for flight. It's 100 times thinner than Earth's atmosphere, making it extremely difficult to achieve lift. This makes it hard to generate lift, as the air is not dense enough to support traditional flight methods. The rotors have to work much harder, spinning at incredibly high speeds to create the necessary lift. Another challenge is the cold, which can be brutal and unforgiving. Temperatures on Mars can drop to -100 degrees Fahrenheit at night, posing a significant risk to the helicopter's systems. Ingenuity needs to stay warm to survive these harsh conditions, requiring advanced thermal management. Engineers had to use special materials and heaters to ensure the helicopter could withstand the cold. They tested Ingenuity in a chamber that simulated Mars' environment, meticulously checking every detail to ensure its survival and functionality. The Mars helicopter, Ingenuity, represents a monumental leap in aerospace technology and exploration. Engineers came up with many clever solutions to overcome the challenges of flying in the thin Martian atmosphere. They had to think outside the box and innovate at every step. They made Ingenuity very lightweight, which was crucial for its success. Every gram counted in the design process. They used strong but light materials like carbon fiber. This choice of material ensured that the helicopter could withstand the harsh conditions on Mars while remaining light enough to fly. The rotors were designed to spin very fast, much faster than those of helicopters on Earth. They can spin up to 2,500 revolutions per minute. This high speed is necessary to generate enough lift in the thin Martian air. Ingenuity also has autonomous flight control, which means it can navigate and make decisions on its own. It can fly itself without human input, performing complex maneuvers and adjusting its flight path as needed. This is important because signals from Earth take a long time to reach Mars, making real-time control impossible. Ingenuity can make its own decisions about its flight path, ensuring it can complete its missions even with the communication delay. Ingenuity's flights are short but significant. Each flight, though brief, marks a monumental step in space exploration. They prove that powered flight is possible on Mars. This achievement is a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. This opens up new possibilities for exploration. With this technology, we can reach places that were previously inaccessible. Future missions could use helicopters to scout for interesting sites. These sites could hold clues to the planet's past and potential for future human habitation. Imagine helicopters exploring canyons and mountains. They could map out the terrain in unprecedented detail. They could even collect samples and bring them back to a rover. This would revolutionize the way we gather data on Mars. Ingenuity is a small helicopter with a giant impact. Its success paves the way for more advanced aerial vehicles. It is a marvel of engineering. The design and execution of this project showcase the pinnacle of human creativity and perseverance, and it is inspiring a new generation of explorers. Young minds are now dreaming of the possibilities that lie beyond our planet, driven by the success of Ingenuity.